Hey y'all, it's Mary. And do you make a grocery list? I do. I make a grocery list, or I make a list of errands to run, and then I get to a destination, I get to the grocery store, and I'm like, where's my list? And it's on the kitchen counter, or it's on my desk at home. Happens to me all the time. So I was supposed to announce on my Mask Monday the winner from last week's Mask Monday, where I did the Freeman eye mask. They were like if you have a two-piece mask, they're just the top half of a mask. And there was gold and a silver color and a rose gold, I think. I think there were 3 masks in that giveaway. And I chose my winner. I just didn't put it in my Mask Monday. So I'm gonna tell you who the winner is now. And then I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what I got from Ipsy, which you might have seen in the thumbnail. So the winner is just Janet. So Janet, please get with me and I will get that out to you. And I also bought something from Ipsy. I've actually had it for about a week or so. I just haven't shown it to y'all yet. They have, Ipsy has the sales. And I used to buy things from Ipsy and Boxy. And to me, Boxy always had the better sales, but sometimes Ipsy would have something fantastic. And that still seems to be the way for me. I'm missing Boxy sales, but Ipsy does have some things on sale from time to time. And I don't think this was any particular sale. It wasn't the drop shop, and it's not the mega drop shop. They just had this NATASHA DENONA palettes on a sale, and it was $25. So this is a $69 palette. So I bought it for $25. It is the Retro Glam palette. And this is the box, okay? Very pretty, the packaging for NATASHA DENONA is wonderful. I have NATASHA DENONA on right now, but it's not this palette. I haven't touched the palette yet. I mean, I did open it and look at it. But the NATASHA DENONA palettes are, this is a 15 pan. They do have different sizes. These are magnetized, and you can take the pans out and move them around, but they do have names on the borders, so if you take them out, then you won't remember the names later. So I don't bother doing things like that. Some people like to do that. It does have a mirror, and it has a protection. There's no color saver. I was going to call it screensaver again, but there's just this, and then I'll peel that off when I'm ready to use it. And this is it. So it may not be fabulous color choices for me, but it's NATASHA DENONA, and it was $25. So I had to have it. And I do like greens. I'm getting more into greens, and greens are very big right now, and they have been for a little while, so I thought I would try it. And I do like the shimmers and the browns, of course, and that burgundy looking one. So let's swatch it and see what we decide. So the top row, I'm trying to look and see. The top row are shimmers, except this dark one, it doesn't look quite like a pure matte. It looks a little shimmery. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't. It's hard to tell. This second row, this is a shimmer, and these are all mattes here, okay? And then the bottom row, it's shimmer matte, shimmer matte. Hard to tell, but let's swatch and see what we get. I do have some wipes here, and Camille, of course, is always right in the mix. So let me see. I'm gonna go down because then I can do 3 at a time. All right, these are all shimmers. This is Flare, Maxi, and Flutter. These are all, aren't they gorgeous? Oh, see now, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, I'm in love already. Okay, and the NATASHA DENONA formula is very, very nice. I love, they're very well pigmented, and they're just this, I don't know that I showed you this very well. The component that it's in is plastic, and that's very nice. It's gonna last. Gonna last forever. And then look at I've had other NATASHA DENONA palettes, and they're always a beautiful component, but this is, it's like it's inlaid, and then there's this, there's tables, there's artwork like this. It's like they poured this plastic in, it's hard to describe what it's three-dimensional, I guess is a good way to put it. It's hard to tell, of course, with the ring light, but it's very, very beautiful. Very different and beautiful. Retro glam, okay? So it has a nice magnet closure. Then let's see. It's hard for me to see with the glare from the ring light. It's hard for me to see the names. This one is called Jazzy. This is Sage. Now this looks a lot darker in the pan. And then this is Lucy, and this also looks darker in the pan. Oh, those are nice. That green is beautiful. Sage, that's beautiful. It looks very turquoisey here. Wipe my fingers right quick. And I don't know where they got these names from because that's the freezer making ice. Let's see. This one is called Oscar. I don't know why. This is Holly, H-O-L-L-Y, and Palladian. This is like a silver shimmer. Let's see how that looks on the skin. So like a platinum, maybe a platinum. Well, it says Palladian, so maybe that's where they're going. I don't know. I don't know if my eyes are a little dark. Maybe I have too much eyeshadow on right now. Okay, Camille. Ooh, all right, let's look at this one because that's interesting. All right, it is, maybe these are mattes. Okay. This one is called Evergreen. Now this is called Fringe, and when I swatched this, some of it came off and ran into the Holly next door to it. And this one is Belle, B-E-L-L-E. Very, it looks like a, you know, like the red earth in New Mexico or that area, Santa Fe, in somewhere in New Mexico. But it is on my finger. It looks very neutral. So let's see. I'm running out of space already. How'd that happen? Okay, but that's it there. Yeah, it looks like earth. It looks like clay the Indians would make beautiful pots with, in the Southwest. That's what that looks like to me. And then these, oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. This is called Marlin. Beautiful shimmer. This is Fave, F-A-V-E, and Oz, like Wizard of Oz. And I'm running out of room, y'all. So, oops, I didn't do that really well, but there it is. See, they're beautiful. I love swatching palettes. A lot of times I decide that I like a palette a lot better after I see how it hits my skin. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. So, yeah, and perfect for fall. It's not fall here, y'all. See, did you see it has some fallout. Okay. It was 90 degrees today. This is, getting to be the end of September. We often, this time of year, we should probably be more in the low 80s, high 70s, but we've had 80s. We've had some low 80s, but we really haven't had any 70s. And now today was almost, might have been 89, but it was hot today and humid. The humidity is building up. So I don't know, we probably need some rain, but we haven't had any in a while. I like that. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Clean it up a little bit. So there it is. And like I said, you can move these palettes out, or these pans out. So when you're swatching them, they move a little bit in there, but I like to keep it the way it is because the name is there. Like I said, you can see the name is printed on the frame. So it's very beautiful and I love it. And I'm so happy. So happy I got it. $25, y'all. That's the kind of, that's what I always look for, is a bargain. Always. I really can't pay full price. I got to have coupons or discounts or something to get something. So that's what I did. Yeah, beautiful. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. It matches the fall decor. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye. Oh, please congratulate Janet below. And, I've got other giveaways going on. I always do. Take care, y'all. Excuse me. I think my 2,000 subscriber giveaway is ending today. It's the 27th. So it's ending today at noon Central Time. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check that out because I won't pick right at noon. It'll be, but still, don't miss out on that. And if you were to share me, you would get extra entries. So give me a few days to pick my winner because I have to work this weekend and everything, and it's going to take time to tabulate. I've been trying to write everybody's name down as they're coming in, so hopefully I'm good. Thank you all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.